are going to love the 2020 Chevrolet Express 3500. Chevrolet Express 3500 passenger and cargo vans do exactly what they're supposed to do. Allow you to transport, haul, tow, and work like you need to. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, dual rear wheels, steel wheels, trip computer, power steering, bucket seats, rear defrost, vinyl seats, AM/FM stereo radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.